Hey, what is up everybody? This is Sing from reviewersoftware.com. Welcome to my Insta Commission review. You can see right now inside member series or the Insta Commission, I will give you a full demo exactly how that this software works. If you know Insta Commission, but you're not be sure how that this software works and what you're getting inside this software, in this video now, I will give you a full demo exactly everything you need to know. And I also put a lot of custom bonus that I would like to give you. So what you need to do now, click to the first link in the description of this video, then it will take you to my bonus page like this. Holding my bonus here, I spend a lot of time put together, and holding my bonus here, I will know that will help you grow your business faster. Okay, so before we go to the folder about my bonus page, about the software, please click to the subscribe, click to the bell icon. Every time I upload a new video, you get notified. So right now, let's get started. So first thing first, what's in the Insta Commission, right? So first is the 3 traffic source, right? 3 traffic source here will help you create and find the best traffic for your affiliate marketing. And the second here, they show you how they have best campaign to you. They have best campaign. They already ran long time ago. That's help them get a lot of money. So here they will have the best campaign to you to use. The simply just copy and paste to your campaign, right? And the third is this have the free traffic source. Free traffic source here. And the next is this is how to create beautiful graphic design. You see it right here. They help you create beautiful graphic design right here. All right. We go back here, and they have a lot of videos training you how to get traffic and how to use the software as well. All right. So before we go to the little bit further, so let's go to my bonus page right here and see what bonus I would like to give you here. Okay, so what you need to do, click to the first link in the description of this video, then it will take you to my bonus page. It looks like this. Here I break down everything you need to know about the Insta Commission. Right? So and to just make sure you know this software is gonna be launched today, 19 October. So today is 19 October. So right now you watch this video right now, you can purchase the product right now. So when you arrive to my bonus page here, click to any orange button here, then you go to the sale page, look like this. Then you can click to any orange button here, then you are good to go, right? So this product created by Jamie. So Jamie, he is this is Jamie. So Jamie, he is the one of the top affiliate. So he have generally around 3 to 7 figure. So he has a lot of experience that he have been do affiliate long time ago. So now he put everything together to help you grow your affiliate marketing. So everything done 90% for you. Okay, so right, so click to any orange button here, then you go to the sales page, look like this. So here you can see here personal income generated that convert 67% of the traffic into big 3-figure commission, right? For you to buy limited group of people, right? So this is Jamie. So he is the 6-7 figure marketer. So he have a lot of experience. So he create this software. That means he done everything for you 90%. Okay. So let's go back to my bonus right here. What's bonus I would like to give you right here, right? So I have prepared for you over my 14 high quality bonus that I would like to give you for free. So the first bonus I would like to give you here is SEO mastery. SEO keyword mastery. This is really high quality bonus that I would like to give you, because every business need SEO, every affiliate need SEO. So I have include for you here. Okay, so the bonus number 2, I will show you do retargeting. Retargeting is really important. If you spend a lot of money to run your ads, but you don't know how to retargeting, that you lose a lot of money. So here I will show you how to do Google Ads retargeting as well. And then bonus number 3, I will show you do Bing Ads. Bing Ads is really important, guys. A lot of people will do a lot of ads in Google, but not a lot of people do Bing Ads. And the good thing about is the old people searching on Bing Ads, and the old people have a lot of money. They have more money, right? So Bing Ads is really important. So here I will show you do step by step do Bing Ads. And the bonus number 4, I will show you do video marketing. Video marketing is the king of marketing. It's really important. Any business need video marketing. You can see the sale pay or the Insta Commission here have a video right here. That means video is really important. So here I will show you how to do video marketing as well. Right? So go next here. I have a lot of custom bonus to give for you free. You see here I help you how to create blogging. I show you how to do blogging. This is really high quality bonus. I will show you how to rank number 1 on Google less than 24 hours. You see everything I give for you here, and also have a lot more right here. Feel free to click to the first link in the description of this video, then you take you to my bonus page and enjoy my bonus page here, and click to any earning button here. You go to the sale page look like this, and you click to any yellow button here, then you're good to go. Okay, so right now let's go inside of the software. So the first thing here, when you arrive to the dashboard right here, there are a video welcome from Jamie.
This is
Jamie, and this is basically everything he would like to show you how to use and everything about the software. And the next in here, 3 traffic source. This is really important. Here I will show you here. First, click on that. This is one of the best traffic source that's the Jamie would like to give for you. So what you need to do right here, you just simply register a profile. You see some people already register some profile, and you have profile, you have your buying, they have information here. Then a lot of people looking for your traffic, looking for your product. So a lot of people go here and click to here. Okay, so this is basically the 3 traffic source. The first traffic give for you, and the next in here is Inspire domain. I love this. I loved it. Not a lot of people show you do this, guys. So here Jamie will show you how to find the best domain already expired. The best domain already expired. Then you can buy the domain very cheap price. Then you can use your affiliate to go directly the domain. You can see right here is this domain. The value $500, and the monthly search in 1,635. You see, a lot of people searching for this domain. If you buy this domain and you put your affiliate link, go directly, then when people click on them, go directly to your affiliate offer, that's you have a lot of money and a lot of traffic go there. Okay, so they will show you do that. This is the best traffic I have known. This is really good. And here they have, and they show you how to do pixel. You put your pixel on there, you also can get a lot of traffic as well. Okay, so this is 3 traffic source. I really love this 3 traffic source. And the next one here is video tutorial. So basically, hold the video tutorial here, training you how to how to use the software and how to get traffic from the software. Okay, and then next here is campaign. I love this campaign because here they have done for you everything, the top niche that you need to use. You see here, this is weight loss. Weight loss is this is the campaign that you need to use when you run ads. So Jamie had a lot of experience to run ads long time ago. So he had put the best campaign over here. Best campaign here. You see only here only $10 you get the result, 1,000 result, and reach 10,000 people and 27 people impressed. So what you need to do, click on there, then they have whole everything you need to download to your campaign. Simply just copy and paste to your campaign. It's really easy to do. I love this. Right? So next here in traffic source. Traffic source, this is also really important. Here they show you how to get traffic for free and how to get Google Ads 115 credit and how to get Bing Ads and traffic for me, right? Traffic for me, and this is really good too. This is really important. If you start to do affiliate, you need this traffic as well. And also graphic edit. I love this. This is simple, but I really loved it. You can see here it's really easy to edit. So this help you how to create and create the best design graphic from here. You see this is looks similar like a Canva, but this include in this software is really beautiful. I really love that. Right. So next over here in article rewriter. Article rewriter, I love this. You know, I'm lazy people. I'm lazy to write. So I have this software. I just copy and paste this. Then I just speed that because when you do that, it's not copywriter. Okay, it's not copywriter, but that's how you save a lot of money. Alright, so I love this. And custom offer. Custom offer here you can promote high ticket. You promote high ticket here, you just request to promote, then you can have the affiliate link. Okay, so right, so I think this is everything you need to know. And also this they have hand-free reason, and they have also partner with them. Okay, and they have also automatic import. So this is basically everything, the value this software gives for you. I really love this tree traffic source and video tutorial and also campaign. Campaign is really important, guys. A lot of people will spend a lot of money to get a best campaign, but right here they show you how to get the best campaign and just simply copy and paste the campaign. Then easy to get result, right? So alright guys, so this is everything about the software. And so right now let's talk about the price, right? So what is the price about the Insta Commission? It's really important. So the first price, if you put the product today and right now, you will get you only pay $17. $17 guys, $17. And you get everything out here. Tree traffic source, the campaign, the best campaign. I think this is the best campaign ever. So, because I had run a lot of ads and I didn't get a result. When I just copy on here and paste my campaign, it's pretty good, right? I really like that. And also the traffic source here, I really like this, and I really like the graphic editor as well. So only $17, you access whole the thing I show you there. I think it's pretty cool and pretty cheap, I think. Because when you run your ads, then you can get a lot of money. That's why just $16 is either worth, it's really worth, right? And yeah, $16 you access to power Insta Commissions software and training model. And the upsell, they have few upsell over here. The upsell number one is $37, and the downsell $27. So here you get a little bit traffic string and authority the software. And the upsell number 2, hand free.